Hello everyone, today I want to show you an example of Golang, and on this piece of code I want to show you power of Golang programming, and you can understand why we should use Golang on our project. So I'm not cover all code and syntax on this tutorial, just run the code and show you the difference between a concurrency and sequence programming in Golang. Maybe you wonder what is the concurrency. The simplest way to explain that is imagine that you want to run a few functions on your code, and all of these functions are related together and they must run one by one to pass data to each other. So if the first function takes 1 second to run and the second one takes 1 second and so on. If you run those functions in a sequence programming, it takes time to run. So if you run all of functions at the same time, you mean use the concurrency. So look at the piece of code and I'll show you the concurrency in example. If you want use the concurrency on Golang, your CPU must has more than one core. If you want to use all core in your code, we use this line of code. First, we run a code in a sequence programming. We create an empty string list right here, and after that we use the for loop to call function and repeat the function for 4 times and append a string to a string list. Inside the function, we use the sleep to wait for 1 second, and after that pass the I to string and return it. This is a simple function, just return string. So in a normal way, it's gonna take 80 seconds to finish the simple loop. 80 seconds is a huge time for programming, and I know it's not gonna happen on real life scenario for web developers. Maybe it's gonna happen for image processing or video processing. So let's see the concurrent version, and after that you can see the difference. Believe me, you will love it. First, we create a channel and we use the channel for callback data. What is the channel? Channel is a make a way to pass data from one location to another location. And other definition is shared memory in between Go routines. Seems like an interface, but it's not interface. After we create a channel, we create a wait group. What is the wait group? See the wait group as a worker. They already work here, and as much you want, you can make them. And they're gonna work for you as fast as they can. It's depend on CPU core. Look at this code. If you want to run function at the same time, you use the Go keyword. That means we create the Go routine. Each time we use the Go keyword, we add one to worker. Let me show you inside the function. Inside the function, we wait for 1 second, and after pass the string to channel, we call return. After that, worker said I'm done and I'm ready for another one. I told you they are worker. In this line of code, we take the string from channel, and this scenario keep continue to end of loop. After loop finish, we wait here, and that means wait until all worker finish their work. And at these 3 line of code, we calculate time and show the size of string list. Let's run the code and see the difference. Okay, we wait to finish run, and you can see that this time is 3 times faster than sequence programming. That's the difference between sequence programming and concurrent programming. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that, and please, if you like the video, just like it and give me a feedback. Thank you guys.